no? So, yun, ito yung aim natin, no? May maturuan pa tayong mga students, no? Na gustong matuto ng math. Okay? Jen knows math, 30 chickens, 20 cows. Okay, let's answer this one, no? Ang pag-atake natin dito is kailangan gagawa tayo ng equation, no? Ayun yung pinakamahirap dito. So, kailangan, dun pa lang alam na natin yung gagawin natin. Okay? A farmer has cows and chicken. The total number of animals is 50. Okay, so, ilet natin na yung cow, no? Number of cows is X. And then number of chicken is Y. Okay, manifesto, letter B. Ma'am Shine, letter B. Sir Bandelichis, good evening. No? So, yan. X and Y. Sabi natin doon, number ng cows, X, number ng